Hello everyone. In today's Quick Tips video, we are going to discuss some important information about the warranty of your Sawgrass printer. To begin today's video, I would like to draw your attention to our knowledge base. In the Resources and Technical Documentation section of our knowledge base, you will find an online copy of your warranty agreement. I encourage you to read the entirety of your warranty agreement, but there are a few key elements I'd like to review today. First, you need to be aware of the duration of your warranty. For printers purchased prior to July 1, 2025, the warranty lasts 2 years from the date of purchase. Printers purchased after this date, however, will have a warranty that lasts 3 years from the date of purchase. Next, please keep in mind that your warranty covers any defects encountered with normal use of the product. Loss or damage to the product due to abuse, mishandling, neglect, improper packaging, alteration, accident, electric current fluctuations, or operating the equipment outside the manufacturer's recommended specifications will void your warranty. Finally, you need to understand the conditions of your warranty. The warranty for a Sawgrass printer only applies if the product is used in conjunction with compatible Sawgrass inks and Sawgrass software. Sawgrass is not responsible for compatibility or usability with non-Sawgrass software, printer accessories, or ink. The failure to follow the operating instructions prescribed in the product user guide or the use of non-Sawgrass personnel to service the product will also void the warranty. To obtain warranty service, you can contact the dealer from whom you purchased the Sawgrass printer or by visiting care.sawgrassinc.com. To learn more information about your printer's warranty, please visit our knowledge base or contact the Sawgrass care team. That's all for today. See you next time.